So you deleted all your photos off your iPhone, or you uploaded all your photos from your iPhone to Amazon Cloud, to Google Cloud Drive, to Carbonite, or some other storage location, and then you deleted them, and your iPhone is still full. Here's what you forgot to do. In Photos, if you go delete a bunch of photos, look, I'll delete a bunch of photos. Let's say I'll hold that one and I'll delete it and hit delete. And you watch the screen here when I do this. Look, when I hold the phone, I hit delete. You see what it says? This video will be deleted from the library. Okay, cool, yay! It will be in recently deleted for 30 days. Oh, what does that mean? Here's what that means. The bottom left, you see a library. Click on that. Then you can click on collections. And then if you're under utilities, you got to be able to see utilities. If you don't see it, you got to go root for it and find it. It's there somewhere. And if you got to find recently deleted. You click on recently deleted, view the album, and here are 33 items that I haven't deleted yet. I've deleted them from the library, but they're in this folder. Let me show you what that's costing you. If I go look at settings, under general, iPhone storage, scroll down a little bit, you can see I have 93.83 gigabytes of photos. Okay, let's go back to photos. In photos, let's view that recently deleted again. Here's the 33 items. Click select, click the three dots, click delete all. Delete from the iPhone, cannot be undone. Come back out. Let's go back to settings again. In settings, general, again, iPhone storage, scroll down a little bit. 93.3 is now 87.7. So I got rid of almost 7 gigabytes of photos and videos. Don't forget that step. Don't just delete your photos you want to delete, but find recently deleted and remove them from there. I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and fears of technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.